Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Triple N Media. In this presentation, we are going to look at how much money you need to save each month and how long you need to save in order to reach $1 million in your savings account for retirement. This is a very important topic. So let us begin with an important realistic look at what the stock market has to return. Here is a chart of the S&P 500 from 1994 to 2020 showing percentage return for each year. If we were to convert this into a more practical application, we can see here between 1994 and 2003, over a period of 10 years, the average return was 11%. Remember, this is an average return. Average return is different from compounding interest that you get with fixed investments. That's a very important point. And in the second 10 years between 2004 and 13, the return was 7%. So these are realistic numbers, and it is highly important for us to keep in mind because a lot of internet gurus, when they tell you you can get 12 to 14% return in the stock market, they are not telling you the real numbers. And here are the real numbers. 2014 to 20, 8 years, we get 8% return. So an average, let's say 7%. When you invest money in a stock market such as S&P, Dow, or NASDAQ, whatever it is, remember, that is the net return based on the stock prices. But on top of that, you got to pay brokerage fees, margin interest, penalties. So keep in mind all these things. In addition to that, you have to pay capital gains taxes, which can be from 20, it can go up to 30, 40% by the time you reach 20 years. So much for all this disappointment. Let's look at how much money you need to save for how long. Say, for example, 25 years to reach $1 million at a fixed return, which is compounded yearly. So let us look at that. For that, we're going to go into the investor.gov. This is a government website helping you with your personal finances. Please feel free to use it and plug in your own numbers and see what you get. And when you get these numbers, that will tell you how much money you need to invest each month and put it in a place where you get a compound return on an annual basis. And when you do that, you will know how long it takes or how much it takes to reach $1 million. So our target is a savings goal calculator. Our target is $1 million. Our initial investment is we open an account wherever it is, brokerage firm, annuity, or whatever place you want to put, you feel your money is safe. $1,000 is your initial investment, and your time period, say like you're 40 years old. By 65, when you retire, you want to have $1 million in your personal investment account. So 25 years. And you expect an interest rate or a return on investment approximately 5%. And you want this to be compounded yearly. I said compounded yearly, so that's an important factor to keep in mind, okay? And compounded interest annually, and let's go ahead and calculate this. Here's your investment, and here's your return. You have to contribute $1,740.13 each month over the next 25 years to reach a goal of $1 million at 5% compounding interest or return on investment on an annual basis. So that's what it is. And if you look at it here, your initial investment is $522,037 and change, and your final destination is $1 million. And if you can put only $1,740 per month in a place where you can get 5% fixed return compounded annually, you will reach the goal of $1 million. I hope this has been useful and educational to you. I also have various other videos on personal finance, and please watch them, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will see you next time.